What's the meaning of combi? Combi. Combi.
Combi. Combi. Combi is a shortened form of the word combination, which refers to things that are made up of different elements or components. The term can be used in a variety of contexts, such as describing a vehicle that combines features of both a car and a van, or a boiler that serves both heating and hot water needs. Combi is often used as an abbreviation to simplify communication or branding. In general, it implies the merging of two or more distinct elements or functions into one unified unit.